ביאור משנה ג' המכנס מעות, האוסף מאה או פרוטה. So you're starting collecting money, so you're going to have enough, your saving account. ואמר כשהתחילה סוף, in the beginning of the saving account, he said this saving account, this saving bag is for what? הרי אלו לשקלי, I'm saving so I have enough money for the shekel. הרי אני מכנס את המעות הללו לשם שקלי. So the question now comes, if before you have the money, are you allowed to exchange it for something else? Before you have the half a shekel, are you allowed to say, oh, you know what, this guy needs it, or that guy, or Beit HaMikdash needs it, I'm going to give it to them, I'll give it the money later on, don't worry. Or since you designated this for the shekel, it becomes the shekel. So that's Beit Shammai Omrim, the house of Shammai Omrim, Motran Nedava. So, it's not what I said. After you put pennies, and then after the guy comes for the 1.5 shekel, for the shekel, half a shekel, you count it and you have 2 shekels. You have much more money in there. So it says the rest of the money, what is it? So Beit Shammai says the rest of it you have to give to charity. אם מצא שבהם יותר על שקל, if you found more than a shekel, המאוד העודפות נופלות לשופרות של המקדש. The extra money belongs to the temple. שמעותיהם מיועדות לעולת נדבה, שהמזבח עומד בטל. Like we said, that this is the sacrifices when there's no work. והוא הנקרא קיץ המזבח. And this is called קיץ המזבח. When nothing is brought on the altar, you bring those sacrifices. טעמם של בית שמאי שסומרים הם הקדש בטעות שמו הקדש. Because they're saying, he did give it to charity, to the better temple, but it's considered to be הקדש. Yeah? ובית הלל אומרים, and the house of Hillel says, no. He was making a saving account for half a shekel. He's not making a saving account for the Beit HaMikdash. It's just in his mind for the half a shekel. So Beit Hillel says, the rest mutran chulin. The rest is his. He can do with him whatever he wants. המעות העדיפות הם חולים שלא התכוון להקדיש אלא כדי שיקלו בלבד. He opened a saving account for the half a shekel. He didn't open a saving account for בדק הבית. שאביא להן לשקלי, אם אמר, but if he said, this bag, this shofar, your tzedakah box, I'm going to bring, הרי אני מכנס מעות שאביא מהם לשקלי, that I'm going to bring from it my shekel. שווין, in that case, מודים בית שמאי לבית הלל. בית שמאי admit to בית הלל. If the guy specifically says, this is for my shekel, and what's the זהו?
אבל שקל זה גם הקדש.
I don't understand the difference between them. שאביא מהם לשקלי, או הרי אלו לשקלי. It's two different wording.
או שאני אביא, או ש-this is already
שקלי. From this I am going to bring to my shekel. From this to my shekel means the rest is going to go to me.
Oh, because it's from this.
When he says, from these I will bring to my shekel, and when he says, Harei elu leshekli, all this is for the shekli. It's the wording that you say. Yeah. All this is for my shekel, or I'm going to bring from this for my shekel. That's the difference. שמותרן חולין. Then בית שמאי admits, okay, if you say these words, you find. שמעות העודבות הם חולין. שהרי זה כאילו אמר בפירוש, אם מכנס יותר משקל, אביא מהם שקלי. והשאר יהיו חולין. Because that's what he's saying. From this, I'm going to bring something. He doesn't say I'm going to bring the whole thing. Yeah, from this. Mehem, from them. From them. Or, what if it says, elu lechatat? If a person says, these are going to be for a sin offering, these are going to be for a sin offerings, המכנס מעות ואמר הרי אלו לקורבן חטאת שאני חייב להביא, that I'm supposed to bring, שווים. Then it's the opposite.
In other words,
מודים בית הלל לבית שמאי. So in that case, the house of Hillel admit to the house of Shammai that if you say these are for chatat, all of these are going to become to chatat, even if you have more than chatat. שהמותר נדבה, that the rest goes to the temple. כמבואר הטעם במשנה הבאה. Why? We're going to see the reason in the next Mishnah. שאביא מהן לחטאת, but if they say, from these I'm going to bring it to חטאת, אם אמר, הרי אני מכנס מעות שאביא מהם בהמה לחטאת, שווין שהמותר חולין. Then everybody admits that he's saying from them I'm going to bring to Chatas, everybody admits this, the rest is going to belong to me. כמו שביארנו הטעם לעליין מעין השקל, like we explained when it comes to the shekel.